Hi, I'm Holly along with Francis, and we have fun, easy, and clever ways to use applesauce. We've partnered with Musselman's to show you these great recipe ideas. First up, our 2-ingredient applesauce cupcakes. So we're gonna start with just a bag of cake mix and then add 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Take your measuring cup. Ready? Dump it in. And then just stir until it's combined. Once the mixture is totally combined, spray a muffin tin with some cooking spray and then add the batter to the muffin cups. All right, so once you've sprayed your muffin tin, add the mix. All right, let's make some cupcakes. Here you go, spin it in. And that one. There you go, dump it. You got it. I love being able to use applesauce as a substitute for butter or oil in a recipe. And what's great about this 2-ingredient applesauce cupcake is that all you need is box cake mix and applesauce. It's so simple. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 17 minutes at 350 and we'll be ready to decorate. The muffins are cool and it's time to decorate. Here you go. You can use whatever kind of topping you like. The cupcakes are delicious on their own because they have that nice, fresh flavor from the Musselman's applesauce. And you can also top them with something really simple and easy, like a peanut butter or an almond butter, a chocolate hazelnut spread, or even just traditional icing. So this is where you can bring your kids into the kitchen and let them have some fun. Just spread it right on. Look how delicious. Quick, easy, and super simple. Check out the next one. Another fun, clever recipe that children love are these little frozen applesauce dots. Just take a little squeezable, I love the unsweetened ones, and then make small dots along a piece of parchment paper. As a mom, I love the fact that Musselman is an American family farm and that all of these apples are 100% American grown. These are such a fun, sweet treat. They're like little ice cubes that taste like applesauce. Francis, they're ready and they're frozen. Yay. You wanna try them? So all you have to do is just peel them right off and pop it in your mouth. They're so sweet. I love the fresh taste.
Cold.
They are cold. It's just that easy. Hope you enjoy this one. Another really easy idea is to make individual breakfast parfaits with applesauce. So just use one of these individual cups from Musselman and add your favorite toppings. What I love is that each child or each person in your family can customize with their favorite ingredients. Plus, Musselman has a variety of flavors. So whether you're choosing unsweetened, honey cinnamon, chunky, the options are endless. So Francis, which one are you going to use to make your breakfast parfait? You want the yogurt with it? How about cinnamon? Does that sound good? Yeah, cinnamon? I can add some granola to mine.
That's chunky.
Yeah, I have the chunky. Add some granola and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And they're ideal for a healthy breakfast that you really can enjoy as a snack as well, any time of day. Enjoy this one, it's delicious. You can find all of these recipe ideas on hollygrainger.com and make sure to check out musselmans.com for tons of applesauce recipes. I hope you enjoy.